God, I surrender myself. I will only enjoy the whole 2 weeks. I won't study. Take care of me in
ये मैं
April.
इतना ड्रामेटिक इसीलिए हो रही हूँ बिकॉज मार्च एंड में हमारा कल्चरल्स था एंड राइट उसके एक हफ्ते बाद हमारे सेशनल्स थे.
People just mean Dustbin has like really good followers. They'll think I'm crazy.
Nah, nah.
I feel like my back is broken. What? You're exercising or what?
You पक्का नहीं जाओ.
Pakka.
Bro, please don't.
ओके सो ये हमारा डेली का है. हम जहाँ 3 लोग मिल जाएंगे वहाँ कल्चरल्स के अलावा कोई और बात ही नहीं होगी, चाहे वो सॉन्ग सिलेक्शन हो, चाहे वो एक दूसरे के डांस का क्रिटिसिज्म हो या अच्छा बोलना हो. फ़िलहाल मेरी क्रिटिसिज्म चल रही थी.
Don't even want to tell my problem to them. She's doing kanta, brother.
Even will do thug. Just in Kanta.
The full fast beat and then just like she might win, guys. Rather song
ठीक है,
is
just
strong.
बेइज्जती नहीं, पीछे से हंसलेंगे.
Dash. Beep. That guy, he's supposed to stay with me and then console me because I made such a big mistake with the pink shoe on a Ganpati ka song. Oh God. No comments. She also didn't sit with me.
Last year you were sitting with me, okay?
So if you see us sitting in a room and listening to songs, that is when we are getting our edited songs approved. And अभी हम कोमल का सुन रहे थे and उसने जो edit किया था भाई साहब, भाई कोई मीम ही डाल दी थी. एक तो इसने अपनी वॉइस डाली थी और वो भी इतना ऐसे जानबूझ के नज़ाकत से बोलने की कोशिश कर रही थी.
I'll deal with you
ओके तो लेटर मेरी बैंड बजने वाली थी बिकॉज मैंने अपने डुएट के लिए जो मैं वर्षा के साथ करने वाली थी उसके लिए मना कर दिया था. एंड अब ये हॉस्टल हो या कॉलेज हो, पूरे टाइम बस कल्चरल्स की बातें चलती रहती है. एंड उड़ता तीर अपने अंदर लेने में मैं बहुत माहिर हूँ, तो मैंने अपना केस प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए नाम दे दिया था. तो सर्जरी डिपार्टमेंट इज़ सो रुथलेस, वो एक ही केस प्रेजेंटेशन में हर किसी की हेकड़ी निकाल देते हैं. जस्ट बिकॉज आई एम द प्रोटैगनिस्ट ऑफ दिस वीडियो डजंट मीन मेरे साथ ऐसा नहीं हुआ. मेरे को भी रीडू बोल दिया. फिर एज़ यूजुअल मैं घर आई एंड मैंने अपने सोलो डांस की प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट करी. एंड डोंट माइंड माई क्लोथ्स, आई स्टे होमलेस इन माई होम एंड दिस इज़ नॉट माई फोर्टे एट ऑल. सो मुझे बहुत दिक्कत हो रही थी ये डांस प्रैक्टिस करने में. एंड बट आई वॉज स्टिल ट्राइंग बिकॉज आई हैड टू डू समथिंग डिफरेंट. आई मीन नाउ यू मस्ट बी थिंकिंग हम ये ऐसे क्यों बैठे हैं अपने कॉलेज यूनिफॉर्म में, बिकॉज हमें अपनी क्लास से बाहर निकाल दिया गया था. एवरी बैच इज़ अलॉटेड अ पर्टिकुलर क्लासरूम आफ्टर द होल कॉलेज इज़ ओवर फॉर एटलीस्ट 2 आवर्स. एंड दिस लेडी, आई मीन इतनी दिक्कत होती है इनको हर चीज़ से. पता नहीं क्लासरूम की चाबी क्या मिल गई, हर वक्त क्लासरूम बंद ही रखते हैं.
She was always like that. I'm telling you that, auntie. Oh my God, we are telling we have permission. Council ही हमारा है. And then she's like, nah. Day 1 of practice.
Since we guys were early to the practice session, we were not allowed to use music and also to dance very heavily with our footsteps because नीचे क्लास चल रही थी.
Looks like you're shooing birds.
Any song you do now, which you want to practice. You're not tired.
I'm not exactly right. But next song is the highlight.
You know what she did? She did.
And then we just ended our day with this last step that she has to practice for both in her solo dance as well as in our duet choreo, which she was struggling in. But yeah, we practiced and then we left for hostel. Okay, so this is a session which we have to do almost every other night because we both have to sit down for the group choreos to select the songs, edit the songs, then to choreograph the songs, then to position all the people. So we have a lot of work.
We were on Bolare.
Song,
You know what song is ready? Formation is ready, but dance is not ready.
Okay, so every time I wake up, I feel cold. So this is what I wear, and yeah, I look homeless as I say. And I had to prepare my presentation because they gave me a redo. So that's what I was working on. So it was 1 week to culturals, and this was our first group choreo session.
Late reaction, 50K to cousins, post a caption. Pray none of my enemies hold me captive. I grieve different.
I choked on the water. Wait, I'll give you guys a reel. Hi guys. Hello. Dance practice.
Hello guys.
Hi guys. Welcome to Dr. Group.
Okay, so we finished like 3 songs yesterday, but we have to practice it. So we were on the 4th song, and this is a casual day in our practice in which I am practicing, rehearsing the steps that I have to teach, and these people are here enjoying, and I don't know what they're doing.
Okay guys, let's do this. तेरे नाल ठीक है जुड़ 2 times.
So yeah, this is how I teach, and I guess you can guess the song by the steps and also guess the choreo. It's a very famous choreo, and if you guessed it already, do comment in down below.
Then it says so it goes like
Okay, so this is my song language. I mean, even if it's any song like Punjabi, Hindi, Tamil, I speak gibberish, and people have to just understand somehow. Okay, so this was the part for the boys, but since they were not here, so I was teaching the girls their part and how the boys will react.
one is going according to their hands. दिल पे नानी ये भी कर सकते हैं rather than doing this. तुम बताओ दोनों अच्छा है करके What's the song? This should come right now. Yes.
ओके सो दिस वाज द टाइम टू सी किसने कितना सीखा है, बट मल्लिका ने तो पहले ही गलत कर दिया। उसके बाद आती है हमारी नंदना, वो जो छुपके से आगे आई है अपना स्टेप ख़त्म करते हुए। मतलब क्या कोमल, मतलब कुछ भी। एंड ये ऐसे कौन फ्रॉक की तरह कूदता है नेरी, बट ठीक है, ऐसी बात नहीं है, मैंने भी गलतियाँ करी थी। Okay, so after teaching all of them the choreos, I gave them a break, but in that break, I couldn't take the break because I had to practice my solo, and even Komal had to practice her solo. That's why culturals become very hectic for some people who take part in a lot of events because we don't get break even in our breaks. And after the break, everyone came and we set the camera and did our final practice of the day. And उसके बाद जब सब साथ में बैठ के पूरी वीडियो देखते हैं, इतना wholesome moment होता है वो। I have tears in my eyes. And that was my friend Aneri who was preparing for her audition for her solo singing competition. And भाई ये गाना सुन के किसी को भी रोना आ जाता है यार। उसके बाद फिर हम सब जाम करने लग गए थे बिकॉज थोड़ा मूड तो लाइट करना ही था।
मक्खियाँ मिनमिना देगा वहाँ पे, ठीक है, अगर हमने ऐसा कुछ किया। सिर्फ करना ये कि कुछ चीज़
As I said, we have a lot of events in our culturals, and one of them that we have always been winning was group singing, and this is how we practice for it. And we are forcing Nandana to sing a song which she went to prepare, and hear it out.
Opera. Opera.
Trying hard to, but can't even breathe.
अगर मैं 2 मिनट बाद पूछूंगा तो याद रखेगी ना, मतलब यही होना चाहिए।
So meet Mr. प्रीक्षित। ये है हमारे गुरुजी जो हमें गाइड करते हैं। अपने टाइम के फेमस सिंगर होने के कारण और लगातार विनिंग्स के कारण इनको लगता है कि हम भी बहुत ही अच्छे सिंगर्स हैं, एंड इनकी एक्सपेक्टेशंस हमसे इतनी ज़्यादा है कि बहुत प्रेशराइज्ड फील होने लगा है। इतना गोबर फैलाने के बाद भी गुरुजी हमसे निराश नहीं हुए और उन्होंने हमारे ऊपर विश्वास रखते हुए बोला कि हम अभी भी हारमोनी करेंगे। नंदना की हालत खराब हो चुकी थी, नंदना क्या सबकी हालत खराब हो चुकी, बट ये बंदा 10 से मस्त नहीं हुआ।
अगर प्रैक्टिस हो गया वो इतने से पार्ट में, देन एवरीवन कैन एटलीस्ट एडजस्ट, बट बाकी पूरे सॉन्ग मतलब 30 सेकंड 40 सेकंड
नहीं, ब्यूटी का हो जाएगी हार्मनी से स्पेसिफिक जगह पे वो 60
स्पेसिफिक ज्यादा नहीं आनी चाहिए, मतलब 3 मिनट में
5 मिनट के बाद रूल्स देख ले।
एंड फाइनली इतनी बहसबाजी के बाद हमने एक गाना सेलेक्ट किया एंड वी स्टार्टेड टू सिंग एटलीस्ट वन सॉन्ग. भाई ये गाना मैंने पहली बार सुना है. मतलब एक तो मैं हिंदी गाने यूजुअली सुनती नहीं हूँ, बट जब मैंने ये सुना मैं ऐसे थी ओ माय गॉड ये कितना प्यारा है. एंड जब सब साथ में गा रहे थे, वाओ इट फेल्ट लाइक हेवन. एंड स्पेशली व्हेन प्रेक्षित वाज सिंगिंग, लाइक seriously. So today was a prelims day for which we had so many auditions lined up for solo singing, solo dance, and even for the anchors. And there were many juniors as well who were giving for the first time. So yeah, we were just cheering them up.
You didn't know her.
No, I've heard the name.
मीट गरिमा, ये वो जूनियर है जिसने मेरी हेकड़ी निकाल दी थी बैडमिंटन में. I mean, याद रखूंगी.
Okay, guys. Right now, we'll do essay 1, 2, 3.
So as soon as everyone was done with their prelims, we got back to our work and started with the fifth song, which was gnarly. I mean, I wanted to add this song so bad. I know like our college doesn't support such dance and songs and culture, but I still wanted to do it because why not? At that point, I was like, I don't care about what college wants and what we need for winning. It's like what I need, what my YouTube needs. And yeah, like just don't stop a performance in the middle. That's all I want.
As soon as you hear
Finally, all the songs were done, and now we just had to do our last song, that was Bola Re Bola. And for that, for the first three people, we wanted them to do this step, for which like I and Varsha were okay, but Malika had to learn. And yeah, she's not that flexible because obviously she's not a regular dancer. But yeah, we were trying.
भाई चेक कर घूमना तो नहीं हो गया.
मुझे लग रहा है मेरे को भी बचपन में जब मैं उसकी दूध में डालती थी, वर्षा इज प्रेसिंग हर ईयर.
हमने सोचा अगर मल्लिका से नहीं हो रहा है तो एटलीस्ट कोमल से ट्राई करके देखते हैं, क्या पता उससे हो जाए. लेट्स गिव अ हैंड फॉर नंदना's effort/concern to save Komal. I mean, I had to start wearing socks because बिना socks के डांस करते हुए मेरे पैर पे छाले हो चुके थे, like fluid filled blisters, and it was paining.
Okay, should we do more music? Get up, guys. This, go. 1, 2, 3, tuck, tuck. Side. Back and down. And थोड़ा tilt करना, देखना audience को. And then 1, 2.
Okay, so we were almost at the end of our choreos, and the last step, oh my god, it was so fun to teach to Nandana.
It is like you have to kick this, but you have to tap here. Tap. Tap. I feel like a toddler. Concentrate करो, उसमें concentrate करो. फिर इसको throw outside.
You guys must be thinking, oh ho, इससे तो इतना simple step नहीं हो रहा. Wait till you see these guys. Please. After doing this easy step, these guys gave an idea that they should do a stunt. Just watch it.
हाँ भाई
ईयरफोन निकाल याद आ गया ना सुना मैं तेरा
तू मेरी बाहों में दुनिया बुला दे जो लम्हात है ये बड़े ही खास है ये
मेरी बाहों में दुनिया बुला दे
Girl, I told this girl to drink methi water because she got a blister. Okay, it's like it's to cool down the temperature. She's like, मुझे नहीं करना. What is methi? But I'm a Tamilian. I purposefully said methi so that she knows it. I was like, मेरे पास नहीं है. And then I am here. I was like, पूछो ना.
One is empty already. One is in process.
Process only. Consequences एडिमा हो गई भाई मेरे को.
Consequences of taking part in so many things. I mean, after a whole freaking day of dance and singing, you come back home with the sore body and still you have to choreograph and edit your songs for your solo. So yeah, she was doing that for me. She is crying like this because I was teaching her Bhangra, which is not her forte.
She's like, it's over, and she's like, sit, stand, jump up. Girl, what?
ओके लेट मी गिव यू द कॉन्टेक्स्ट. ये एक ड्यूएट डांस है जिसमें थोड़ा घूम घूम के कुछ तो करना होता है एंड उसमें कोमल को भी करना था बिकॉज ये बहुत फेमस हो रहा था एंड शी वॉज फोर्सिंग वर्षा टू डू विद हर एंड लुक एट हाउ शी इज़ गोना डू. So yeah, that was it for the vlog, guys. In the end, we were just practicing our new song, which was Prikshit was very happy for because he was able to put that metal or the instrumental that he wanted to. And yeah, everyone was just enjoying themselves and enjoying the moment.
Open your mouth and sing. I wanna follow where she goes. I think about it.
We were just making fun of the fact that Prikshit always tells us to open your mouth and sing.
Like, share,